When you think of a home bar, you might picture a casual hangout spot. But what if I told you that with the right lighting, you could transform it into a dazzling, festive haven that rivals even the most elegant gatherings? Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to design the perfect lighting for your home bar. This is a fantastic way to create a welcoming and stylish space for any gathering. Let's get started. First things first, planning your lighting. When planning your home bar lighting, consider a combination of pendant lights, LED strips, and sconces. This mix ensures versatility for various occasions, from casual hangouts to intimate gatherings. Eye level or below eye level lighting creates a cozy, intimate atmosphere, making your space feel inviting without being too harsh. Second, consider vintage lighting fixtures. Vintage fixtures can add unique charm to your home bar, blending effortlessly with both modern and classic decor. This touch of nostalgia can enhance the overall aesthetic and make your bar stand out. Third, opt for dimmable bulbs. Dimmable bulbs are essential for controlling the brightness and setting the right mood. They allow you to easily switch from a bright, lively setting for parties to a subdued, intimate glow for a relaxing evening. Fourth, layering your lighting. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and dimension. Ambient lighting provides general illumination. Task lighting focuses on specific areas like counters or mixing stations, and accent lighting highlights features like your liquor display or barware. Fifth, setting the color temperature. The color temperature of your lighting affects the ambience. Warm lighting 2700K to 3000K creates a relaxed, lounge-like atmosphere, while cool lighting 4000K to 5000K is perfect for a brighter, more energetic environment. Mixing warm and cool lights can adapt your bar to different moods. Sixth, using LED strips and recessed lighting. LED strip lights are great for adding creativity to your design. Install them under shelves, along countertops, or the bar's edge for a dynamic effect. Recessed lighting offers a sleek, minimalistic approach, perfect for illuminating areas like backlit shelves or countertops. Seventh, choosing the right fixtures. Chandeliers and pendant lights can serve as statement pieces. Chandeliers add luxury and character, ideal for larger bars, while pendant lights are perfect for smaller areas like above the bar counter. Choose fixtures that complement your bar's style, whether modern, vintage, or classic. Eighth, incorporating smart lighting. Smart lighting systems bring convenience and customization. With voice control and mobile apps, you can adjust light intensity, color, and create pre-programmed scenes. This tech-forward approach adds flexibility and energy efficiency. Ninth, adding creative touches. Fairy lights, table lamps, and wall sconces can add charm and functionality. Fairy lights are perfect for draping over shelves or bottle displays, while table lamps provide focused light for tasks. Wall sconces combine elegance with practicality, highlighting specific features of your bar. 10th, bringing it all together. Think about how each lighting element serves both aesthetic and functional purposes. By thoughtfully layering these choices, you create a visually appealing and highly functional space. The key is finding the right balance between elegance and practicality. Final tips for designing with light. Blend style with functionality. Sketch out a lighting plan to determine which areas need ambient, task, or accent lighting. Test different combinations to find the right balance, ensuring the space is both practical and visually appealing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and design inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.